Hi, you guys. Welcome to Life with Charlene. Today, I am trying something a little different, and I'm going to show you guys how I clean and do things during the week. But I'm going to also show you some of my comedy of one of my favorite actresses or favorite comedians, whatever she was, Lucy. And I know you guys have to remember that skit she did as the Vitamina girl or whatever. Well, I got my take on it today, and I put some clips of what I was doing earlier, which was cleaning, in there with that. And so I hope you guys get as much laughs out of it as I did making it and watching it again. And I'm sorry. I just think it's so funny. And I really had a good time doing it. The only part I missed putting in, not for Lucy, but for me, I washed clothes. I did a load of laundry today, and I just had fun with this video. So I hope you guys enjoy this video as much as I did making it. So have a good laugh today. Enjoy your day, and go ahead. I love Lucy. Today we have milky, meaty, healthy drink. This is a shot a day, keeps the doctor away. So you guys get your shot today. Mm.
Cut.
Yeah, gets you through the whole day, gives you energy and all the minerals and vitamins you need to make your day great.
Lucy, you have to take it with a
Oh,
smile.
oh okay. Let's get started with our milky, meaty, healthy drink. A shot of this a day keeps the doctor away. One shot, that's all it takes, and it gives you the energy for the rest of your day. Second shot, not so bad.
Cut.
Oh, sorry. Milky, meaty, healthy drink. One shot a day keeps the doctor away. Gives you all the energy, mineral, and vitamins that you need to get through your day. A shot. It's good, it's sweet, tastes delicious.
Cut. You went off script.
Okay. Milky, meaty, healthy, meaty, Mickey. Oh.
Cut.
What?
Are you okay, Lucy?
Oh, yeah. Milky, meaty, healthy drink. Take a shot of this, and you'll shoot your way through the world. Mm. Mm. One shot a day. Gives you the energy to tackle those hard chores. Get through your day, okay? All right. Milky, meaty, healthy drink. Try it today. I love Lucy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next video. And you guys let me know what you think about this. Is this something you want to kind of see more of, or was it a hit or miss? Was it a hit or was it a miss? You tell me. All right, bye.